Orion can create numerous reports and lists to help the engineer. Here we're going to show some examples from the column output. Under column section design, we can go from the file menu to view their design reports. The engineer can filter out the members he would like to be included in the design report. He can also choose to print directly, save the report for printing later, or create a PDF file format. Design reports for beams can also be created in a similar way. From the beam design window, we can choose the beam design report. As for columns, the engineer can filter out the members he would like to be included in the report. Options allow the engineer to include or exclude items such as force diagrams, design checks, and reinforcement bars. The engineer can also print a summary of the design by going to Print Beam Table, and here he will see one line per member highlighting its design pass status and its utilization ratios. At any stage, the engineer can establish the material takeoff for the structure. Here we're going to look at the total quantity of concrete required. We have a breakdown per story and per element, beam, column, slab, etc. And we also have a total amount of concrete required. In a similar manner, we can have a look at the estimate for the quantity of formwork required for the structure. The engineer can also extract this data into Microsoft Access or into Excel format. Here we will create a report for our column and wall steel. In this Excel spreadsheet, you'll see a design status, you'll see the total number of bars and their weights, and a breakdown per story of the reinforcement requirements for each column and wall. Each plan can be converted into DXF file format. We can control the content of the view by using the quick key icons. The plan can be controlled in more detail by controlling the layer settings. This is similar to many other CAD systems where we can control the line color, its pen thickness, and line type. You can also save the layer settings away so it can match your own in-house CAD formats. To save the plan view in CAD format, click on the DXF button. The drawing can now be opened into AutoCAD or into other similar CAD systems for final drawing production. As well as help create working drawings, Orion can also help create 3D images and presentation animations. We choose an appropriate file name and the file compressing system, and then when we rotate the structure around, it will be recorded as an AVI. Once the movie file has been created, it can be added to your presentations such as PowerPoint, and it can be viewed in tools such as Windows Media Player.